Welcome to this session. Now the problem, integration root 2 dx by cos x under root sin dx is equal to f of x plus c. Then what is the f of x? So just 1 minute we can solve it. So by the way, now solution capital I is equal to integrating root 2 dx by cos x under root sin 2x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, isn't it? Here is the root 2 we cancel out because of root a into b means root 2 cancel out only for capital I is equal to integrating dx divided by cos x under root here sin x cos x. Here sin x cos x. This is important. So next, if in case we can adding and subtracting from the 1, so what is use? There is no use. So because of here is a multiplied by cos x. So if in case 1 by cos square x, we can convert it to secant square x. Here is the tan x. Now put tan x is equal to t. After derivative is the numerator. But here is only cos x. So very simple logic. You have to remember that here divided by cos x into cos x. Observe that once again. You already sin x cos x as it is divided by sin x into cos x. Here is under root cos square. So that means capital I is equal to integrating dx by cos x under root tan x into under root cos square x. Why? Sin x by cos x, tan x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Here square root cancel out, only cos x, cos x, cos x, cos square x. Here is 1 by cos square x, secant square x. So that is capital I is equal to integrating secant square x dx divided by under root tan x. That is important. You have to remember that as it is copy paste question according to question sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, but root 2 cancel out. Here is a very important. Here 1 by cos x secant x, that is no use. Secant square x means that is important under root 2 sin x by cos x into cos x into cos x. Here is a sin x as it is, cos x as it is, divided and multiplied by cos x. That is important because of tan x derivative secant square x. Our calculator, that is important. You have to remember that. Here is one of the problem. There is no use because of 1 minus 1. So sin theta cos theta sin x minus cos x whole square. But here is multiplied by cos x. That is our calculator. Here is cos x. So that means under root, here is a root 2 tan x, cos x into cos x, cos square x, square root cancel, only cos x into cos x, cos square x. 1 by cos square x, secant square x. Here is root 2 tan x. Now put here tan x is equal to t square. Tan x is equal to t square. Tan x is equal to t square. Derivative means secant square x dx is equal to dt. 2 dt dt. So that means secant square x dx is equal to 2t into dt. Now capital I is equal to integrating secant square x dx means 2t dt divided by here what is that t square root cancel out, only under root of. So direct write down from here nothing. So don't waste on the time. Here is a t square root cancel, only t. Here dt is a cancel, only 2 into integration of dt plus means that is equal to 2 into here is a t. What is the t? Here t as it is 2 into what is the t? T is equal to root 2 tan x is the answer. What is the 2 root 2 tan x? 2 root 2 tan x. C is the correct. A, B, C. Previous question. That is integration of x2 plus 2x by x to the power of 4 plus 4 into dx. Option A, B, C, D. So just only for one step, single step, we come into the answers verification. Whether 4 options, eliminating for the 2 options, those will be selected for the only 2. So remaining one is also eliminating. So how to find out for the solution? That means capital I is equals to, here is split into individual integration x cube by x power 4 plus 4 dx plus integrating 2x by x power 4 plus 4 dx. It's a very simple. 2 terms. Here is a whatever it may be tan or log, but here is only 1 by 2 tan inverse. Here is also 1 by root 2 tan inverse. 2 terms, but is 2 terms This is also another form. This is also another form. This is the tan inverse. This is the logarithm. There is no logarithm options. B, D will remove. Only for A and B. So which one is the correct? Simply there is no minus part. There is no minus part. Only for here is also plus. Here is also plus. So answer A is a. Both will be positive. So that is a A is the correct. So when your A is correct, when you are decided, so will be decided divided by 4 into multiplied by 4. So that means here x square 1 by 4 as it is integration 4x cube by x to the power of 4 plus 4 dx plus integrating 2x by x square means here t square plus 2 square into dx, otherwise x square whole square. So like this, x square is equal to t. X square is equal to t. So 2x dx means here is a dt. dt by d means derivative of tan inverse x 1 by a. Derivative of the tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square. Here is 1 by 1 plus x square means 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here is 1 by 4 f dash divided by f of x. X to the power of 4 plus 4, the derivative 4x cube. So that is equals to 1 by 4 logarithm of x to the power of 4 plus 4 plus here only 2, there is no root 2. So that means 1 by 2 tan inverse t means x square by 2 plus c. But is our convenient that implies and that is equals to 1 by 2 tan inverse x square by 2. Here is the right down option the 1 by 2 tan inverse in the before term. This is also positive, this is also positive. Our current plus 1 by 2 logarithm of under root x to the power of 4 plus 4. Both 1 by 2 will be common, that is here is also 1 by 2 remove. So 1 by 2 is a common, tan inverse x square by 2 plus logarithm of x to the power of 4 plus 4 plus c. Option A is the correct. C is the correct. Thank you for watching. For more, that is integrating dx by x minus 1 into x minus 2 with under root. So how to find out for these solutions? First of all, that is a traditional method, that is a common method. So how to find out for this solution? That is a solution capital I is equal to integrating dx divided by under root of x minus 1 into x minus 2, nothing but x square 3x minus plus 2 because of x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 2. So that means that is equal to integrating dx by under root of x square minus 2 into 3 by 2x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2. So that is equal to integrating dx by dx divided by under root of here is a square plus b square minus 2ab, nothing but x minus 3 by 2 whole square a square b square minus 2ab. 4 2s are 8 plus 8 minus 9 means minus 1 by 2 whole square. So that is x square minus a square formula. So what is x square minus a square formula? That means cos h inverse. So that is solution. Here is cos h inverse x by a. What is x? Here is x minus 3 by 2 divided by a. What is a? 1 by 2 plus c. That is cos h inverse 2x minus 3 plus c, 2 cancel. So that is answer is C. Otherwise, shortcut. So what is the shortcut? So that means here is a problem. Capital I is equal to integrating dx by under root of x square minus 3x plus 2. So first of all, this is the quadratic equation. The x square coefficient A. So comparing for integrating dx by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. A is greater than 0, discriminant is greater than 0. That implies formula cos h inverse. You have to remember that. That means ax square plus bx plus c with under root discriminant means x square quotient a is greater than 0, discriminant greater than 0. That means formula cos h inverse. You have to remember that. So that is what is the cos h inverse only singly. So C is the correct. So that means here is a find out cos h inverse. Solution cos h inverse of derivative of the function ax square plus bx plus c. Here is a discriminant a value. What is a value? A is equal to 1 greater than 0. Discriminant delta. What is the delta? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is the b? B here is a minus 3. Minus 3 whole square means here is a 9 minus 4 into a is 1, b is 2. 4 2 is 8. 1 into 2. So that means 9 minus 8 that is equal to 1 is also greater than 0. A is greater than 0. Discriminant is also greater than 0. So therefore cos h inverse of derivative of the polynomial. What is that? 2x minus 3 plus c is the answer. Choice. This is the procedure. Otherwise shortcut. So that is the formula ax square plus bx plus c. Discriminant a greater than 0. Delta greater than 0. That implies cos h inverse is the formula. What is the cos h inverse? Cos h inverse derivative of the function divided means delta b square minus 4ac. B square means 9 minus 8 that is greater than 0. A value is 1 is also greater than 0. So therefore cos h inverse of the derivative of the function 2x minus 3 that is the option is the correct answer.